Do you know company will not do the background verification directly? They will give this background verification job to respective authorized vendor. Usually you will receive email from any of the authorized vendor to submit your background verification documents. So the company will not do the background verification. They are giving that job to specific people, specific organization, that is called background verification vendor, which means each and every background verification per person, they need to give money to them. Okay. So without paying the money, they will not do the verification, right? End of the day, one person doing the verification, they need to give the salary. They need to run that organization separately. Okay. So what I'm trying to say here, to do the background verification, the companies are spending some money and giving that money to your respective background verification vendor. So once your background verification completed or rejected, they need to pay the amount. Now the problem is there are too many dual employment cases. They are doing the background verification. After doing the background verification, they are saying background verification failed, so that they cannot able to use you for the organization. So they are not going to use for the organization, but they are doing the background verification. They are spending money. To stop this process, companies are in smarter way. In 2 steps, they want to identify whether this person is fit or not to the organization. So before doing the background verification, before spending for the money to do the background verification, they are trying to identify whether there is resource having any dual employment record or not. Okay. Now in future, NASSCOM going to prepare some list based on the PF record, and they are going to upload the record in the NASSCOM portal. That may happen in future. If it is happened, just in searching your UAN number, PAN number, or Aadhaar, they can track whether you did the dual employment or not. So if you did the dual employment, they will stop your background verification process, so that they no need to pay some amount to your background verification team actually. And if you don't have any overlapping, they can proceed your background verification. So end of the day, your background verification going to complete successfully, so they can utilize you as you are going to be onboarding to that respective organization. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.